writing down this poetry until the day I die.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So, since I've been stuck in quarantine, I have, in fact, got the addiction of TikTok. If you follow me on TikTok, you know that I've been on that grind, making them videos, but I can't dance. But today is Charli D'Amelio's birthday. Her 16th birthday to be exact. So I figured in celebration I would learn some of her dances.
Her dances, I meant just normal TikTok dances. One of them is hers, but the other ones are made by other creators.
I have done dances before, but they obviously have not gone very well. We got our boba, so get comfy. Let's make some TikToks. A lot of the songs will probably most likely be copyright, but I'm sure I can find some really nice iMovie music to put instead that will just go with the flow. We're gonna go on to Charli's page. 52.4 million followers and 3.5 billion likes. This is gonna be entertaining. Okay, I'll leave the second part to last, cause okay, so it's like I'm so dumb. Okay, so it's like I don't remember it. Change shirts, a bit more flowy, a bit more air circulation, so hopefully I can get it without overheating. It's like I get up to that one part and I can't do it. I'm so dumb. Oh my god. It's like, yep, I know what I'm doing, and then all of a sudden, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm running out of boba, and this is all the boba I had left. We might have to change to just ice milk tea until I get some more boba. So that was the best one that I could get. Time to move on to the next dance. So we are going to do 2 more dances. We're gonna be doing the Gimme More by Britney Spears. I pretty much learned this dance over a course of 2 or 3 days because it's very difficult for a non-dancer. So another bubble tea down. I wish I had more to go. Yeah, you got it, yeah, you can do it. If I can't do it,
Yeah, get into it.
I talked myself up and I still can't do it. I cut off the fucking audio to the wrong spot. Oh my god, I didn't pump, I like freaking body rolled. I don't The struggles of TikTok. Oh my god. Bruh, this is such an exercise. Okay, well, we're good with that. Okay, I've also learned this one before and I've actually done it before, but I don't remember it, like, because like with dancing, since I'm not a dancer, I can't remember it after a few days. Let's see if we can do it. I messed up a little bit at the end. Okay, we're gonna do it one more time. I might throw in another one since I did already know this dance. I did it wrong. Let's go again. Let's go again. Okay. I'm like blending the lick in with the tap and then the body thrust thingy, so that's what I'm doing wrong. It's like my favorite sound, so I'm so glad someone made a dance to it because it makes it fun. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm gonna throw in one more dance. Captain Hook, since it's not loading. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay. We're gonna do Captain Hook, see if I can remember it, and do it perfectly for you. Let's do it. Okay. I did it wrong, I did it wrong, I did it wrong. Well, my body won't move as fast as my brain. Do it one more time. If I don't get it, so be it. So be it. Okay. Oh my god. I keep forgetting the fucking whoa. My hands went like... Okay, that's good enough. You can have that one. Have that one. Lick it up. Lickety splittity. It's delicious. So I've been filming for an hour and a half doing TikTok dances. If you haven't already, maybe try some TikTok, just fill in your spare time. But I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I'll see y'all later. Bye!
Yeah.
Oh, tell me I'll be better. We were just kids sneaking into Coachella. Oh, tell me I'll be better. Always been a joker, like you know I'm here.